Welcome everyone, this is standby mode. To activate it, first step is your iPhone must be connected to a charger, either wired or wireless. Your iPhone then must be in the landscape mode and resting, and once those two steps are done, you're going to see the standby mode is activated. First thing, if you don't have an iPhone with the always on display, this standby mode will turn off after a while. You can see the display is off and we have to tap to wake. To use the standby, we have these widgets here, and if we swipe across, we can see all of these widgets which are available. If you long press on a widget, we can go across each widget. We can remove a widget, we can add a widget, and Smart Rotate will over time switch the widget you're going to see right here. So let's tap on the plus, and let's go to batteries, and I'll add this widget, and then we'll select none, and you can just swipe across like this. Now if you tap on the widget, it is interactive. It will bring you into the application in question. The unfortunate part is not all apps support the landscape mode. If we swipe across here, this is a photo widget, and if we long press on this one, you can see the featured photo, and if we tap on the plus here, we can change what photo we want featured. And if we swipe across again, we have this nice time, date, alarm information. If you long press on this widget here, you can change the clock face just like you would on an Apple Watch. If you think this feature would get annoying at night, when there is no light in the room, so I'm just going to try and block the sensors here, the display should turn red. I'm going to turn off the lights. So you can see when there's low light, this will turn red, and it's the blue light which affects your sleep. Red light does not, and this will not apply on the photo widget, but it should apply on most widgets you see. If we go into the settings, and then we're going to scroll down until we see the standby, you can customize whether or not that night mode with the red tint shows up or not. If you have an always on display device, you can toggle always on for the standby mode. And if you're charging your iPhone landscape but you don't want standby to show up, you can turn off the feature entirely. With that being said, check my channel for more iOS 17. Bye bye.